Hello guys, welcome back to MMO YouTube channel where we teach you how you can make money online. Please stay subscribed for more interesting videos and let's get started. So in today's video we are talking about which coins should you invest in 2021. Bitcoin plunged 30% to near $30,000 at one point on Wednesday, continuing a major sell-off in the cryptocurrency markets that began a week ago. The digital currency hit as low as $30,000, intensified Wednesday before pairing some of those losses. Cryptocurrency hasn't traded at those levels since January. Bitcoin rebounded as the day went on, was down 12% to about $38,000 shortly after 3 p.m. Eastern Time. At its intraday low, the cryptocurrency's loss for the past week was more than 40%. On this channel we will talk about daily news, what's going on with cryptocurrency world. As you might heard, cryptocurrency mining operations including Huobi Mall and BTC Top. If blockchain is the future, more and more people will be involved in it. More bitcoins, more cryptocurrencies, more value for the market, and prices going to increase. Before we continue, comment down below from which country are you watching this video so I can prepare the best possible content for you and give you some of the money-making online strategies that we usually do on this channel. So without further waiting, let's get started to top 3 cryptos to invest in June 2021. Government, banks, institutes are investing in blockchain technologies. First one is definitely the Ethereum. Ethereum has gotten a lot of flack over the past couple of years, but I believe it has the potential to provide better gains than Bitcoin itself in the immediate future. It has a smaller market cap and does not have as much global recognition as Bitcoin does, which I view as a great potential aspect. The current hot trend in the crypto space are DeFi projects, and guess what? Almost all of these projects are built on top of the Ethereum. There is a ton of money flowing into DeFi, and as a consequence, I believe that this will bring about a significant rise in the price of Ethereum itself. There are hundreds of places you can buy Ethereum from, but I would suggest that you stick to the exchanges that has been established for many years and have a perfect security track record. It's important that these exchanges are regulated where applicable. These are my recommendations. Buy Ethereum on Coinbase, Binance, or eToro. Once you buy Ether, you can purchase a Ledger Nano to store that Ether offline and away from any hackers. The Ethereum price briefly touched $2,000 in February cryptocurrency rally and moved back above that level in April, soared to a record high of $4,300 in May, up nearly 500% from the start of the year. By 80th of May, the coin had lost some of its shine to trade at $3,500 at the time of writing. Next up is Bitcoin. In matter of digital asset, cryptocurrencies exist since 2009 and we are actually reached an important phase, the Bitcoin halving on May 2020. This could represent the key event to going towards a concrete stabilization of the whole market. We believe it's time to buy it. According to some analysis made with the previous cycles, Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are more estimable in terms of price action. If blockchain is the future, more and more people will be involved in it. More bitcoins, more cryptocurrencies, more value for the market, and prices going to increase. Government, banks, institutes are investing in blockchain technologies. Not just something like Petro in Venezuela and Coin in Estonia. Cryptocurrencies and blockchain represent the base of future money. Cryptocurrencies have been creating quite the stir in the investing world lately. While digital cryptocurrencies have existed for more than a decade, they have currently been making headlines for their soaring prices. Bitcoin recently reached a height around $60,000 per coin, and other cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum and Dogecoin have been seeing a much growth in the past months. Some investors have made a lot of money with cryptocurrencies, and many people believe crypto will only get bigger over the time. If you're currently retired or are close to retirement, you may be considering investing into crypto to boost your income during your senior years. In matter of digital asset, cryptocurrencies exist since 2009 and we are actually reached an important phase, the Bitcoin halving on May 2020. This could represent the key event to going towards a concrete stabilization of the whole market. We believe it's time to buy it. According to some analysis made with the previous cycles, Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are more estimable in terms of price action. If blockchain is the future, more and more people will be involved in it. Next up, we have Binance Coin. If you're wondering what is Binance Coin, that's probably because you've seen it riding high of the top cryptocurrencies performers of the recent months. True, Bitcoin and Ethereum are still a way front of other cryptocurrencies in terms of market capitalization. Binance Coin has cemented itself as their main challenger this year. It's a coin that really has the potential to make it to the proper big three. Binance Coin's impressive performance in 2021 has attracted plenty of investors, but if you're interested in joining them, it's important to know that it's no more immune from the cryptocurrency's market volatile nature than any other coin. Want proof? Well, Binance Coin doubled its price between the start of April and middle of the May, only to fall back where it started just a week later. In short, as with all cryptocurrency investments, you should think carefully about whether you could afford to lose all of your money if things were to take a downward turn. That said, Binance Coin is well worth a closer look even if you just want to find out what it is. Binance Coin is recovering after a major crash that infected the entire crypto market on Wednesday, May 19, after dropping below $300 for the first time since March. It has currently regrouped just under $350. In order to understand Binance Coin, you first need to know about Binance. It's the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange based on market cap. Binance typically moves about 3 times the amount of crypto as the next leading platform on a daily basis. It's huge. Binance Coin, or BNB, was established in 2017 as an Ethereum-based token, both to give users the option to save on fees and to help fund Binance's expansion. However, as Binance's ambitions grew, the firm relaunched BNB as a coin running on its own Binance Chain blockchain. So, comment down below which coin would you invest in, and if you liked today's video. Please leave a comment and a like, it's much appreciated. On this channel we will talk about daily news, what's going on with cryptocurrency world. As you might heard, cryptocurrency mining operations including Huobi Mall and BTC Top are suspending their China operations after being stepping. That would be all for today. Thank you for support, like this video, share it with your friends, and we will see you in the next video. Have a nice day and enjoy making money. Goodbye.